Hi. Hi. Uh, are you a doctor? Oh, yes, I'm a doctor. What doctor? I practice integrative medicine. I what? Integrative medicine. Integrative medicine. What is integrative medicine? Integrative medicine is where we identify the root cause of a disease or a symptom and treat it with mostly lifestyle modifications. Why and what are you integrating? What are we integrating? Why are we integrating? Why are we integrating is because today medicine has become nano and micro systems where there are doctors who treat you system wise, but forgetting that we are human being, we are a whole person, and we operate in harmony. So an integrative system is the one that is going to heal you completely. What are we integrating? We are integrating multiple fraternities of medicine, starting from naturopathy to allopathy, whichever suits the patient, whichever the patient chooses, whichever can really give him the benefit that he wants. We are okay to integrate all of it and give the patient that treatment and give him the result as well. So many pillars, 7 pillars to be exact. How do you make the patient do all of this? The fundamentals of integrative medicine. I call them the 7 pillars. The first one is food in terms diet, movement in terms movement, sleep, mind in terms de-stress, chemical detoxification, supplements and clinical therapies. These are the 7 pillars. Especially my prescriptions or most of our integrative medicine practitioners prescription will revolve around these 7 pillars. How do you actually deliver this? How do we deliver this? We actually give it as a package. Most of us give it as a package, either a 3 month, 4 month, 6 month annual packages, life term packages. We give it to them as packages. The following question can be why packages is because this is not I give you a tablet today, it'll change tomorrow. No, this is a complete lifestyle change and you have to follow it to sustain the result. So we give it package wise. You said something about root cause. Root cause basically is where it all stemmed from, right? But how do you identify it? Root cause, we have this extensive space where we take history. History from day -1, that is even before you were born. We take into account what was your mother's condition while she was carrying you. From day -1 until today, we take complete history in terms of your gut health, in terms of your respiratory health, mental health, sexual health, your work, stress, infections, trauma. We take a complete history. History sessions take a long time in integrative medicine. We take a complete history, which is where the doctor will get an idea of, okay, this is where things could have started to go wrong, right? And then we ask them for an array of investigations, basic investigations, blood, urine, stool, radiology. And if the condition requires extensive investigations, we ask that as well. So when we have history, as well as your old investigations and your new investigations, we will collaborate both and then see this is where things have started to go wrong and this is what is happening now. So this is how the treatment is going to be. This is how we identify the root cause of your disease. Integrative medicine by itself is a big name and you are saying so many big things. Why should I choose integrative medicine over Ayurveda or allopathy or naturopathy, which is very known to me? Why should I choose integrative medicine? Oh, no, no, no. We were not forcing or pushing you to choose integrative medicine over others. But listen to the benefits of it and choose it for yourself. Firstly, integrative medicine is the only fraternity today that will see you as a whole person, not as just organ systems. And number two, we give you time. We spend time with you. We start up with history and we hold your hand. That's number two. Number three is whatever treatments we give you, whether you get results or not, there are no side effects we are causing. So these are the benefits of integrative medicine. And this is where we take both your mind, body, your family, your work, everything into account and give you a customized treatment as much as possible. If you come and tell us I have to continue traveling but you will have to make me well, not a possibility, but we will try our maximum. Diet, lifestyle, exercise, sleep, mind, detox. You tell me so many things. You say I have to cook, I have to drink water the same way, lifestyle change, so many things. But answer me everything, no, slowly. What do usually patients ask you? Okay, okay, relax, relax, relax. I'll tell you everything, right? The first and the foremost frequently asked question that patient asks me is, how long will it take for me to see results? The answer to that is, I don't know. எனக்கு தெரியாது, I don't know. Because each one of us are very, very unique. It might take 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months, or even 2 years. But one thing that as a doctor that I can guarantee you is your health will definitely see improvements in the ways that you want. So how long it will take, I don't know. Now, the second question that frequently that they ask is, do I have to starve a lot? Can I not enjoy life? We give you this treatment according to your lifestyle as much as possible. Anything that you practice for 2 months to 3 months, it'll become your lifestyle. And especially when they give you benefits, it will become your lifestyle. When it becomes your lifestyle, even if I ask you, don't do it, you will continue doing it because you've seen results. So the answer to your question is, do I have to starve a lot? Can I not enjoy life? No, you can do everything in optimum. So and so that you do not abuse your body. The third frequently question is, can my family members also do the same thing? Can they also eat the same food? Because I cannot cook 2 to 3 times. Yes, this is good food, healthy food. You should have your family supporting you in your healthy journey. So as a family, you can all get well together. Rupaya, paisa, kaase, pano, money. What are the investments for this? Right, investments. First investment is time. If you do not change the recipe, the taste will not change. If you cannot give time and prioritize your health, no matter who you go to, no matter how much you pay them, no matter what I write in the prescription, nothing will change. So be ready for your time commitment. First investment. Second investment is effort. You can say, I've taken off from work, I'm not doing anything, I'm just going to sit in the sofa and munch something and watch TV all day long. I have all the time, but if you're not putting the effort to take that kind of food, supplementations, go for therapies, your health will not improve. The third investment is, of course, financial investments. You'll have to make the investment in terms of doctor consultations, clinical therapies, supplementations, buy yourself good organic food. All these are investments. If you ask me what is a ballpoint number, then I will tell you, I don't know ballpoint number. I'm a doctor. I don't talk numbers, but take a paper, write expensive, put equal to, and write the number that is expensive for you. I will guarantee you it will be more than that number that you've written. So be ready for expensive. I have heard many people, including Brian Johnson, who spends a lot of money for this integrative medicine and longevity. Why is it so expensive? And anything expensive, won't we as patients get the doubt, or what are the negatives of this? We're spending so much money. What are the results we are getting? And what are the negatives of it? Why is it so expensive? That's the world we live in, honest answer. But then, because integrative medicine is new, you'll have to integrate so many things. And the doctor spends a lot of time with you, and all the latest technologies goes into this, or lab investigations and your clinic softwares and so many things. So that is why it is expensive. Your clinical therapies, a recent clinical therapy including stem cell therapies or hyperbaric oxygens, they're all expensive because they are newer technologies and very less people are aware of it, very less people use it. It's the same market demand, availability demand scenario here as well. That's why it's expensive. What are the negatives of integrative medicine? Firstly, it's new medicine. It is new medicine that combines both your ancient medicine, starting from Ayurveda to TCM, to the newest regenerative medicine. So everything that we do is almost like a trial and error. Whether it suits you or not is something we will only learn after giving it to you. But one guarantee that we give you is it will not harm you in big effects like so many treatments that's happening today. Another negative here is, like every other medicine, whether we give you, whether it suits you, whether it suits the public, whether it suits the mass, is something that we need to try and see. Like, for example, recently for me, hydrogen breathing is something that very less people have done, very less people are doing, but I do it and I see great results in inflammation. And I give it to my patients. So it will take time. That's one negative with integrative medicine is any treatment, it will take time to show you, the time for you to go, sit there, do the treatment, come, see the result. It'll take some time. So that is one of the negatives, maybe, a dialogue negative that we can actually say.